Welcome back, everybody. Okay, so the time is here. I will now test my engineering skills. Alright, so yesterday while I was doing the special video, I actually decided to start my Aerokinesis development series a little bit earlier. I was gonna do them more into the future, but I'm just gonna start now because the video was the video had so much cool information that I actually want to practice doing what the video said. So in my new Aerokinesis series, you could expect it's not just gonna be me doing Aerokinesis every single video. That's pretty boring to watch. So what I would do is I would usually try to have something about Aerokinesis in front of my video, similar to my news and world information series. But this one is gonna be more dedicated just to Aerokinesis, which is like my personal hobby. So you could expect a video explaining a technique of Aerokinesis from the many teachers that there are in the internet, and then I will go outside and try doing that. Now this video, since it's an introduction, I'm going to be benchmarking my skills. I'm gonna be testing myself on various different skill sets. I'm gonna be testing myself on, let me write it down so I don't forget. Okay, so I'm gonna be testing myself on pushing energy. I'm gonna be testing myself on pulling energy. I'm gonna be testing myself on generating, just increasing the amount of ambient energy. Increase the amount of ambient energy, calming ambient energy. So I'm gonna be pushing, pulling, increasing, calming, and just playing. I have a windmill, playing with the windmill a little bit. Alright, so like I said, this is the introduction to a new video series. If you want to keep on watching the development of my Aerokinesis, I'm gonna have my Aerokinesis videos on a different playlist. It's gonna be called Aerokinesis. So this is just information series. The Aerokinesis series is gonna be separate. So if you wanna watch my Aerokinesis videos, go to that. So now, let's get started. Let's turn on both GoPros and go outside and do the gym, man. All right. Ah man, these things are so annoying. 1 second. There you go. Alright, so no, what? Alright. Why does this one automatically start recording? Alright, whatever, fuck it. Okay. I will now put this head on. Alright, you guys will now see me. Boom. Right here. Okay, so I have two GoPros now. I could, I guess, talk with this. Let me pause this video. Take this. Alright, let's go. so how are you guys? This is going to be where I'm going to be doing most of my Aerokinesis training. Now, this video, don't expect a lot. This is just an introduction so that you guys could know what I'm going to be doing in the future. But I'm going to be testing myself on pushing, pulling, increasing ambient energy, calming ambient energy, and playing with the windmill. This windmill right here. It's one of the best tools to practice Aerokinesis and magnetic movements. So yeah, let's just get started, I guess. I'm going to be listening to music because it makes it more interesting. I'm gonna start with pushing. Try to push energy. Alright. This is a perfect time now to practice what what Michael Grove was saying about bringing energy to your center. And as you guys, I could already notice an increase of energy around me. And would you look at that? Yeah, I don't want to talk too much on it because he's the one that knows about it. I just saw his video, but as you guys can see, tried his technique, and we have an activation of the energy. And as you can see, it's even correlating with my movement. You can notice by the front one. You guys see? That is the difference between the Earth's magnetic energy and once you start connecting and you start to be able to influence it. Why? Because you're connecting to it. So I would say pushing was a success, but look at the weather. It's in my favor, you know. I will try this again at night, which will be a lot harder. But yeah, pushing, pretty good success. Pulling energy. I don't know how you guys will be able to notice the difference between push or pull, but let's listen to some more music. You can notice I'm pulling if you will notice, when I push, the movement comes from the front to the back. But when I'm pulling it, the back one starts to move first and then it goes forward. So as you guys could see, there's some type of pulling going on because only the back one is moving. I will try to move the one in the middle now too. And another thing, ladies and gentlemen, once you start doing Aerokinesis and it's about to rain, usually it starts to rain. And it's actually starting to rain and I don't want to get my equipment wet, so I will resume this video after the rain. I will do this on my other, I will finish this video on my other playlist. I hope you guys enjoyed mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this Aerokinesis introduction video. If you're more interested and you want to see me develop and stuff, I will be archiving these videos in my YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye.